everybody, it's me Julie, and today I'll be showing you my top 5 favorite regional birds in Pokemon. So let's begin now. Number 5. Swanna. I've always loved how beautiful and graceful swans appear, and seeing Swanna's design based on this bird makes me happy, and that's why Swanna is number 5. Number 4. Noctowl. I really like owls for mostly their uniqueness, and to me Noctowl captures the owl's concept perfectly, and that's why Noctowl is number 4. Number 3. Pelipper. I think that pelicans are really interesting birds, and seeing a Pokemon based on that makes it seem cooler to me, and that's why Pelipper is number 3. Number 2. Chatot. The fact that parrots can mimic people and sounds, I believe, is really cool, and seeing Chatot being the perfect parrot Pokemon makes me giddy with delight, and that's why Chatot is number 2. Number 1. Toucannon. Toucans are my third favorite bird, and Toucannon is, I think, a great addition to the 7th generation, and that's why Toucannon is number 1. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did, and I'll see you all next time. Au revoir!